Welcome to the presentation of the second group of SmartSoc Workshop Mobility. Our topic was a self-driving tractor, and so the self-driving tractor is changing the future of food business. And today's presenters are, except me, I'm Leon from Croatia, Pavel from Slovakia, and Jens from Germany. At the beginning, we want to talk about the key facts of our project, and after that, we want to share the business models to give you an overview of main activities of our startup project. Next slide, please. What is Agritech? Agritech is a startup project which purpose is to automatize agriculture industries by creating world's first tractor attachment, which can convert tractors to smart tractors. And it's imagined to be implemented like a third-party application or some sort of an upgrade. This picture is not correct. You can change. We won't change its wheels and the shape of a tractor, but we will just implement some kind of technical, future technical products and sensors that will make it to be autonomous. Next slide, please. Okay, so for our SmartSoc Tractor, we will be using existing GSM network like 3G or 4G. We have agreement with the tractor manufacturers for implementing our software and hardware, because those are the only models that we will be able to convert to a smart tractor. After attaching our product to a specified tractor, our product will establish first the internet connection with the server, and then it will download all necessary data of weather and of weather factors and what to do next in the job scheduling. It also uses artificial intelligence to improve harvesting and to be able to do jobs more efficiently, to communicate with others near tractors, mostly in terms of collision detection and data sharing. Tractors will be also fully autonomous, so after our product attachment, they will be more efficient in everyday jobs. They will have an options for job scheduling. Our system will provide multiple sensors like proximity sensor, GPS sensor, moist sensor, weather sensor, and of course we will have embedded security and safety procedures. If someone gets close to the tractor or tries to steal the tractor will immediately stop and start some of the safety procedures like alarms or alarming the owner of the tractor or company. Tractors will be communicating with server for new tasks and weather info, and they will be also sending feedback in case of component failure and the task competition. Apps will be available for mobile devices as well as a web application, and those apps will be purpose of those apps is to manually control vehicle when it's not in a self-driving mode. Now the presentation will continue. Jens from Germany.
Yes, thank you, Leon. Now a short overview of our planned business budget. We have only one product which is compatible with all tractor models. It's called here in the picture product A. It costs 10,000 euros sale price, but because it's not a serious production, the 10,000 euros, as I mentioned before, can only be understood as an approximation. Our monthly expenses are about 165,000 euros. It's really much, of course, but our startup reached the profit zone really after a really short time. You can see it here, like on month 4. What about our customers? Our product aims middle-aged farmers, which wants to make their farming easier and more convenient. And our second target group are companies which needs our services, like, for example, mainly tractor manufacturers, John Deere, for example. We created a persona which reflects our ideal customers. Here in the example, in the picture, Peter Müller. And Peter Müller is 46 years old, located in Germany. He is a typical farmer with an existing inventory of tractors. Farming, of course, it's a hard work, and it's getting older. And it's important to mention that he is unwilling to sell his tractors for a new one, for autonomous tractors. Finally, he's searching new ways to simplify his works. His main brands are Nike, John Deere, and Tesla. Now I want to hand over to Pavel.
Hi. Our direct competitors are John Deere, Case AH, and New Holland Agriculture. They have autonomous tractors well known on the market, but they don't have upgrade kits for existing tractors. At the moment, autonomous tractors are expensive and uneconomical. John Deere is on the market since 1837. He is market leader in tractor manufacturing. This company has 70,000 employees, but price per John Deere tractor is in average around $350,000. Second competitor is Case AH. This company is on the market since 1991 and is a global leader of agriculture and farm equipment. They have 5,000 employees and they are our competitor because they had an autonomous vehicle on the market since in 2016. Third competitor is New Holland Agriculture. This company is on the market since 1895 and is a market leader in hydrogen tractor manufacturing. They have 15,000 employees and their biggest strength is their huge number of products on the market. So basically we have powerful competitors, but we don't need so many employees like other companies. And we think that low price for our service is a way how we can build place on the market. And of course name of our company, because nobody convert old tractor to smart tractor. Jens, please, next one. Risks. One of our biggest risks is not getting enough investment for starting our company. So we will organize a marketing campaign for getting investors. Other risk is not getting clients. So we have to have good distribution, competitive price, new offers, and make customers satisfied. Other problem can be of technical character, so we have to test it before delivery. Or hiring wrong people can have a really bad impact on the functionality of company, so we have to have strict interviews. Jens, please, next one. Channels. Distribution will work via Instagram, Facebook, social media, radio, billboards, and so on. We will create events, webinars, or virtual presentations where we introduce our services. We will create a web page and pay influencers for sharing us. Customers will pay only with card, bank transfer, or Bitcoin payment because of safety of the payment. Deliver will be just in Agrotech community. In other words, in Europe by courier on transport company. We can make some agreement that there will be 5-year service warranty. Repair stations will be in every country covered by Agrotech community, and we will have control of the status of our products because thanks our control system, which gives us some data, we can analyze if the product works or no. Jens, please, next one. And next one. Thank you for your attention, and if you have some question, now is the right time to ask.